And I know this is not our typical video, but I wanted to take you in the catering on the catering scene with me. Wagwan Flave Gang, how you guys doing? What's up? What's been up? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm taking you guys with me. I have a busy weekend, so whenever I'm not in the kitchen like making videos and stuff like that, I sometimes I'm catering, because I do cater for events and things like that. If you follow me on my Instagram, you'll see, because most times I'll post it. So this weekend I'm pretty busy. I have 2 caterings this weekend. I have a lunch for like a training class, and then tomorrow I have a big birthday party for one of my favorite clients. It's their daughter's birthday, so I'm gonna be doing the catering for that. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So right now I'm loaded with food, and I am heading to drop off now for the lunch. I've done the grocery shopping. I didn't get to take you guys with me. It was just so much going on, but you don't know. I'm gonna show you right now a couple of the clips from, just showing you like my preparation and things like that. But what's going on, guys? Welcome. If this is your first time here, you're gonna see a little bit of everything, so welcome. If this is your first time checking out my channel, if you are not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. I have a lot of things in store for you guys. So I will show you when I get to my location to drop off. Everything is already prepared. It's gonna be really quick, boom boom, in and out. Tomorrow is gonna be more in detail. We're gonna be there. We're gonna be on site at the event. It's gonna be amazing. Alright guys, so I just got here. So my client, she does microblading. Actually, she's the one that did my microblading. It's been like a year now. It's really good, really on point. So this is who I'm delivering the food for today. So I'm gonna just show you guys just a little bit snippet of what she does. Dropping off food for my client. Like I was saying to you, Sherry's the one that did my microblading, and like I just showed you a few clips of her doing her thing. She is a young black woman who is just doing her thing. If you are located in South Florida, our area, she's located in Miramar, and she does these classes, these training classes. So not only is she providing services, but she's also educating other women, other men, whoever. If you want to learn, she does these training classes that you can sign up with her. I'll drop her information here so you can follow her Instagram or whatever. But if you're ever interested in any of that type of stuff, hit her up. She did my microblading like almost a year now, and I absolutely love it. Absolutely loved it, because I struggled with thin eyebrows. So she kind of filled them in. Let me see if I can let you guys see just for a little bit. So right now I'm wearing no makeup, and I'm not wearing anything on my eyebrows, and they're nice and filled in. So She did a really good job with them. I'm so proud of her. I'm so proud of her success and what she's doing. Yes to the young small businesses. Yes to the black businesses. Yes to any business. You know, whether you're black or white, it really doesn't matter. But when we see it, we have to highlight it. So really proud of you, girl. Especially when I walked in and I saw the whole setup, because I've been catering for her events now since she started this training class, which is like a few months ago. But this is my first time actually dropping off the food, because usually I'm booked like 2-3 caterings on a Saturday. Today I only have one, so I had the time to prepare the food and also drop it off. So it was a pleasure just to see her in her glory, doing her thing. Like, yes girl, yes, I'm here for it. Don't forget to hit her up on the gram, and if you're interested in that type of service, go ahead, hit her up. And if you want to learn, a new trade, a new skill, why not? Now is the time for it. You know, now is the time. Step out of your comfort zone and learn something new. You can never go wrong with that. You never know where that will take you. So big ups to Sherry Lua's Brows. I'm done for the day. I'm gonna be taking you guys with me tomorrow to show you Sylvie's birthday party. It's going to be amazing. I can't wait. I'll show you little clips of the preparation. I know I'm gonna be really busy, so I don't know how much time I'm gonna have to really be in the kitchen vlogging and stuff like that, but I will try. But I'm definitely gonna take you to the event with me and show you what I do and when I'm not working my regular job. Because don't get it twisted, I'm doing a lot. I'm working my regular job, I'm catering, I'm doing YouTube videos, I'm doing a lot. So if you guys don't see me post on my page cooking, guys, it's because I'm busy and I really want to do it. But you know, I'm keeping it real. I'm the talent, I'm the cameraman, I'm the editor. So when the money start rolling, when we can hire all those people, I know we'll see more of me. But I'm just keeping it real with you guys. Why you don't see me all the time, like boom 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 doing videos, trying to get it together. But bear with me. It is hot, okay? Hot top. But anyways, I'm making a stop at Publix because I just realized that I'm gonna be using my deep fryer and I don't have enough oil. So I'm pulling up to Publix real quick just to get that sorted out. Thank you. They are so organized in here, it's crazy. They sanitize every single cart. So amazing. Like, big up to the Publix crew. Alright, let's find some oil. Usually I don't buy my oil in here. Usually I get my oil at Restaurant Depot because I buy in bulk. But today I'm just gonna settle. Only time I'm gonna settle. Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Good. What's up, guys? What's going on, Flave Gang?
What's the wagwan, Flave Gang?
So we are on our way to the birthday party I told you guys about yesterday, and we are running a little bit late. When you're on time, for me, that means you're late. So I'm on time, but I feel like I'm late. So I have a little bit of anxiety right now. Bree is hired to do the event today. So she gonna be making that money. We're heading there. It's gonna be beautiful. Just stay tuned. I tried as much as I could to get clips when I was in the kitchen. It was tough. It was tough because I was under pressure and it was a lot, but made it happen. But I definitely will show you guys the display of everything. And yeah, this is just how it goes when you know I cater. It's a lot. Stay tuned for festivities for today. I hope each and every one of you are well. Hope you're doing great. Hope you have a blessed Sunday. Even though maybe when you're watching this video, it's not gonna be Sunday. But I hope it was a blessed one, and I'll catch you guys
today's
soon.
Sunday? No way. I didn't know that. I thought today was Saturday.
Anyway, guys, this me have to deal with.
Chefs, the hands that made the food. Thank everybody for showing up on time. Thank you for all the children because they are our future. They are our blessing. May the food nourish our body and nourish our temple. And in Jesus' name we pray.
Amen.
Amen.
Yes, Yo. Okay, yes, please. Bring me the rice.
I'm gonna charge you for the extra gravy.
That's fine. That's fine. Every time. Never let me down once yet. So look what we have going on right now. We have some oxtail, some was it
Salt and pepper
shrimp, macaroni and cheese, rice and peas, and what else?
And there's another plate.
There's a whole nother plate. So you guys already know it's rounds to this entire thing, alright?
Levels to this.
Yes.
You already know. You know I'm back. I'm happy. I'm happy.
Girl, I need more of that mac and cheese, girl. And the oxtail. You already know. Yes. Delish. So good.
Alright guys, we just got done Silver's birthday party. It was
It was so cute. It was so fun.
very nice, very nice. Excellent party. Everyone loved the food. I wish we were not so busy to really get the reaction and of everyone, but mission accomplished. Everyone enjoyed the food, and this is why I do what I do. Just to hear the feedback of everyone. Oh my God, the food was so good. This and that. Bree really helped me out today, so thank you. I'll write you a check.
We could cash out me.
But yeah, guys, so thank you so much for tuning in. I know this is not our typical video, but I wanted to take you in the catering on the catering scene with me. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? Go ahead, subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, share with your friends, and hit your girl up if you're having an event and you want some good up food. You know we got you. Until we meet again, until I see you. Did not just yawn in my video.
Sorry. I'm a sleepy girl.
That means that you work hard today. So
Exactly.
All right, Flave Gang, until we see you again, all right? Peace out.